another cool nature spot right now is we're in a dry, what's it called? What's this called? Dry canal bed right now. So, holy shells. So, well, a bunch of these different kind of shells. Yeah, so first we were in under a road overpass, overpass. Now we're in a dried canal bed.
Oh, that smells like ass.
That does smell like ass, you're right.
Ready? Oh, wait.
Yeah, so this is my cousin, by the way. He does oh, that's squishy.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, that's my cousin. He does photography. Forgot the name of it. Yeah, so like again I said in the last one, I'll also be doing a bunch of nature vlogs, pretty much, just showing you guys all the places where we walk and like find, basically. So I'll vlog a little bit more. So yeah. All right. Ciao for now.